Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to generate a pay slip using the payroll feature in the staff portal. It's simple. To begin, head to the navigation menu and click on Finance, then select Payroll. Next, in the Action toolbar, click on the Generate Payslip button to start creating a new payslip. Now select the payment frequency that applies, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. This ensures the pay slips are generated according to the correct schedule. For further customization, use the search view filters to narrow down specific employee details. Once you have set your filters, select the employees you'd like to include by checking the boxes next to their names in the list. When you're ready, click Proceed to initiate the pay slip generation process for the selected employees. Specify the date range. Take a moment to review and confirm all details. Once everything looks correct, click Generate Payslips button to finalize. Once done, you'll be able to see here the newly generated payslip. And that's it! You've successfully generated payslips using the payroll feature in the staff portal. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.